Now we're going to do the tapenade, the green tapenade. This is a specialty from Provence, especially during the summertime. It's just lovely with a glass of rosé. So we're going to use some green olive. We're going to use some anchovy, just like 4 or 5 little ones. A little bit of garlic. We don't want it to put too much garlic because then it's too powerful. It's not necessary, just a little tiny bit. And then a little capre, a teaspoon, salt and pepper, and of course a good olive oil, always. Voilà. I'm going to add this lovely green olive. I'm going to put a big, actually my spoon is very tiny, so I'm going to put 2 very tiny little spoon of capre. And these lovely little filet, half of the box, that's fine because they're very, very small. There you go, that's anchovy. They're absolutely magnificent. So I put like about 7 mini ones, all right? Then I'm going to add a bit of pepper. I'm waiting for the salt, not yet, because olive and anchovy are very salty. So then I'm going to start to mix with any olive oil. None, not for the moment. I'm pulsing to make a kind of a puree. Then I can add a little bit of olive oil. There you go. I'm very generous. I say a little bit, but et voilà. All right. And then I'm stirring a little bit. I'll test it, of course. And I think we need to put a little salt, which I didn't do earlier on. And at the end, I'm going to add olive oil in the dish, but I'm going to put it like this. Like this. All right. We arrange it very nicely. And then we're going to put, of course, a little bit of olive oil. And just for the decoration, a little flower. And voila! This is lovely, this bread. This is something very, very good during the summer, as I say, with a crostini as well, a warm crostini, or the petit crouton like we say in French.